Quantifying Operational and Project Risks with Monte Carlo Simulation. This is an extremely practical course consisting of 5 sessions of 2 hours each. We introduce the Monte Carlo simulation methodology. The idea is to learn how to quantify the risks of a project or the operational risks of a company. We will use examples of a civil construction project and a financial institution regulated by the Basel II standard. We will explain the entire sequence by creating a model using IziRisk, an add-in that allows for Monte Carlo simulation on top of Excel. Defining the concepts, inserting and explaining frequency and severity distributions, executing the simulation, interpreting and communicating simulated results, analyzing mitigation strategies and risk ranking. After completing this course, you will be able to answer questions such as how much money is enough to cover operational losses due to risky events? What are the risks that cost the most? Up to how much money can be invested to mitigate risks? What are the most efficient mitigation measures? How to calculate probabilistic contingency reserves? Looking forward to seeing you.